A Pakistani official has said that China-proposed initiatives, including the Belt and Road Initiative and the Global Development Initiative, reflect China's contribution to global development and support for developing countries and emerging economies. Citing Pakistan as an example, Zafar Adin Mahmood, Special Assistant to Pakistani Prime Minister, says that BRI projects have boosted infrastructure construction in the country.
Because I had the opportunity of becoming a part of the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, which is a part of BRI, I could say with confidence that Pakistan is one of the countries which benefited greatly from this initiative. Like in 2015, the CPEC was officially launched, and within a short period of few years, the infrastructure development in Pakistan made tremendous achievements. Like we overcame the acute power shortage within a short period of time. We were able to complete the network of roads throughout the country, starting from the Chinese border to Karachi. We were able to develop the Gwadar port and make it operationalized. And now there are so many projects which are still under construction, and I am sure they will be completed soon within a short period of time.
The official points out that BRI is a great step forward toward the Global Development Initiative, which will benefit the whole world.
So if we look today, I would say that not only Pakistan, but many countries in third world, particularly the developing countries in Africa, Asia, Latin America, they all benefited. And also the developed countries, they also benefited from this initiative, because the development is a process in which everybody participates. So I think the Chinese initiative of BRI is a great step forward towards the global development initiative, which will benefit for the whole world.